Um, it's Onam season here in Kerala, and here at Somathiruma Ayurveda Group, we're all Onam ready. So today, we are going to show you and bring to you some Onam to your house by showing you how to make a Paysam. That is also part of the Sadhya, which is the great big Kerala feast that we have during Onam time.
Let's get ready for Paysam!
So we are going to show you the recipe of the green gram or moong dal paisam, and with us we have team Dr. Hema and Chef Shaiju who will demonstrate us this so that we can make this in our homes.
Ingredients of green gram paisam is green gram, split green gram, ghee, jaggery, raisins, cashew nuts, cardamom powder, dry ginger powder and cumin seed powder.
Let's begin. First we dry roast the moong dal. So doctor, could you tell us the Ayurveda benefits of the moong?
This is the most important pulse in Ayurveda,
Okay.
So it's recommended for daily use. It's rich in protein, it's rich in fiber, rich in minerals.
Okay.
So it's easy to digest and it's good for your digestion. Means no gas formation like other pulses.
Okay. So we have selected.
We need to roast around 10 minutes.
Now we are going to add 4 cups of hot water to boil the moong dal.
Next, we're gonna be melting jaggery. Yes. Doctor, what's the benefits of jaggery?
Nourishes the body. It is good for digestion, good for blood purification, good for the elimination.
Okay.
So that's a very good sweet.
Very good.
Yes, no, natural healthy sweet from nature, is it? Yes. After almost 10-15 minutes, the green gram has been boiled, and now we're going to add the melted jaggery to it. So almost the paisam is coming to its form. Yes, chef, next what do we do?
Next, need to boil around 10 minutes.
For 10 minutes we keep stirring this.
Add some ghee also.
Almost, in this recipe we are using 4 tablespoons of ghee.
Ghee is a brain tonic. Good for intelligence, good for sleeping, good for memory.
The final steps of the paisam by adding some concentrated coconut milk, which makes the paisam have its creamy texture. Nourishing, no, coconut milk.
Nice flavor.
Smells lovely.
Yes.
Yes, so all of you must try it this Onam.
I can't wait to taste it. Next, we're gonna add dry ginger powder. What is dry ginger used for, doctor?
Dry ginger is also good for digestion, it's good for immunity, good for respiratory problems.
Oh, interesting.
Same with the cardamom also.
We're going to add some cardamom powder.
It's also good for that with the digestion. Nice smell.
So the paisam is reaching its last stages, and now we garnish it with by sauteing some cashew and raisins in ghee. So much of healthy fats, no doctor? Yes.
Cashews, it can reduce the bad cholesterol.
Oh, okay.
Good for the bone strength. Raisins are good for hemoglobin. Good for the bowel elimination.
Okay.
For the fitness.
The garnish to the paisam mixture. Wow. Let's taste it now. Happy Onam, and you're going to try our moong dal paisam. Let us know how it is, okay? It's hot. Yes. It's a little bit hot. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yes. So all of you, happy Onam.
Happy Onam.
Happy Onam. Very happy Onam, all of you. So keep tasting this good sweetness at your homes.
It's very hot.
Yes, okay, you want to try some? Just little bit.
It is hot.
Little bit. Yeah. How's it? Yummy.
Very good.
Excellent. Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you.